So the next exercise is progressively a little bit more challenging. So you've done your lefts and rights and forward and back, and now you're going to be doing some circles. Nice and slow again, don't make the movement too big or you will ping the ball forward or back. So small circles with the pelvis. Again, keep in nice posture, keep your shoulders relaxed, try not to be tense up, and just do nice circles. The last exercise is even more challenging, which is to try and do a figure of 8 on the ball. So use your hips and try and imagine drawing a figure of 8 with your tailbone in the air or on the ball, however it makes sense to you. So that's a figure of 8, which is really challenging. Again, if you do feel unstable, go back to holding on by fingertips. If not, just keep your hands on your legs and continue that figure of 8. You can go the other way and make it even more challenging. Using the stability ball instead of a chair is a really good way to promote good posture when you're working at a desk. This ball is actually a little too low for this desk, but they come in all sorts of sizes. So feel free to go up higher if your desk is quite high like this one. However, ultimately, what we're looking for when you're working at a desk is improving your posture, and sitting on the ball is a way to do that. As you can see by the arch of my back, I have good posture here. Whereas when we sit on a chair, if we don't have a proper lumbar support or we sit there for too long, we tend to slump, and that becomes very rounded and poor posture. So just sitting on the ball promotes really good posture. What also it allows to do when we are typing or talking on the phone is we can also do our circles and our figures of 8, which keeps our back more mobile and stops that rigidity in the spine that we get when we've been sitting for too long. It keeps us moving.